Hey, this is my first video of my channel, and I figured I'd do a cold start on a Toro with a Suzuki 4-stroke engine on it. Let me figure out where to place this camera here. And the choke is on. As you can see, it runs pretty good low idle. It's guaranteed to start for 5 years. I'm pretty sure it's outlasted that guaranteed to start. For those of you interested in the model number and serial number, here it is. And of course it's got the ground speed and the blade brake system, which actually needs a new spring for it because it's worn out, which usually happens. There's the throttle, and that's about it. It's in pretty good condition, still has all its decals and whatnot. The paint's pretty nice once they get the dust off it. I mean, it's just shiny as all hell. It's still glossy. And yeah, the chrome's pretty decent on it. A little dirty, but we are in Minnesota. I am in Minnesota right now, so it's a Minnesota mower. But yeah, I got this one for free. Guy said it runs, he just bought a new one. I even got the bag for it. You know, the power drive bag, and then I got, see, where is it? Then I got the blade, a spare blade for it with the original paint still on it, mostly. But, other than that, that's about it. I'm gonna cut this video off. Bye.